Troubleshooting the Ansible group module requires a systematic approach to identify and resolve issues. The first step is to understand the group module and its purpose in Ansible. The group module is used to manage groups on a Linux system, which includes adding or removing groups, and adding or removing users from groups. To start troubleshooting, check the Ansible playbook for any syntax errors. Ensure that the group module is correctly defined and the necessary parameters such as name, state, and system are provided. The state parameter can be present or absent, and the system parameter is used to specify whether the group is a system group or not. Next, verify the group module parameters and values. Check if the group name is correct and if the state is set to present or absent. Also, ensure that the system parameter is correctly set to yes or no. If the group module is used to add a user to a group, verify that the user exists on the system and the group exists before adding the user to it. Another important step is to check the Ansible logs for any error messages. The logs can provide valuable information about the issue, such as permission errors or group already exists errors. Check the logs to see if there are any messages related to the group module. In addition to checking the logs, it is also important to test the group module separately. Create a test playbook that only includes the group module and run it to see if it works as expected. This can help to isolate the issue and determine if it is related to the group module or other parts of the playbook. To avoid common pitfalls, it is recommended to use the latest version of Ansible in the group module. Also, ensure that the Linux system is up to date and has the necessary packages installed. It is also a good practice to use the ansible.cfg file to set the default settings for the group module. In terms of best practices, it is recommended to use the group module in combination with the user module to manage users and groups. This ensures that the users and groups are properly configured and managed. Also, use the group module to create system groups and use the user module to create non-system groups. By following these steps and best practices, you can effectively troubleshoot the Ansible group module and resolve any issues that may arise. Remember to always test the group module separately and check the logs for any error messages. With practice and experience, you can become proficient in using the group module and managing groups on Linux systems with Ansible.